Hello and welcome to today's video on learning cursive handwriting. The letter that you're going to learn today is the letter Y. Yes, this is the most stylish letter when you write any word. If you have this letter in your name, then absolutely your signature is going to look dashing. So let's start practicing the letter Y. And you have seen how to write the letter Y. Start with this initial stroke that connects this letter to the previous letter. And we have already learned how to write the letter U. So if you haven't, just check the other video on how to write the letter U. Anyway, let me tell you. See to that it moves back to the left to get the right slant. And when it reaches the baseline, make a curve and see to that these two lines are parallel. Let's practice that again for some time. Okay, the letter U. Make sure all these are curves, but they're not sharp. And then bring it down to the lower zone to make the loop that is of the same width of the letter, the upper part of the letter that stands in the middle zone. So that's how you write the letter Y. Easy as that. Form a U that's parallel and then down to the baseline. That's it. That's the letter Y. Now let me show you the ways you're not supposed to write the letter Y. The first one, too wide. This one is really wide. You need to make sure they're not too wide. Remember, this must form a rectangle, not a square. Okay? And the next one is, avoiding this. Make sure it goes back to the left side to get the right slant. And also ensure that it is not going in this V shape. Okay? And the next one is when you stop retracing. Avoid this gap. So when you form the letter U properly, you get this naturally. See? That's it. Retrace it till the baseline. And also make sure you don't do these curves. Right? Like this. That's too curvy and the slant won't be uniform. Okay? Bring it straight and then curve it. That's how you write the letter Y. So let's practice letter Y for one line. Do it along with me really slowly. When you want to practice alphabets, make sure you practice them slowly. Take your time. Practice is realizing how you do your work slowly. So playing football during a match is completely different from practice. So writing Y, you need to practice it slowly so that you know how those lines move. That's going to be your first step in learning to write the letter. Focus and do this for 2 lines and then start writing words that have this letter. Yarn. Y. Okay, I've got this right. Write more words that begins with the letter Y, or it can end with Y. You can write day. Oops. T, A, and Y. Be conscious about writing this letter, every word. So during your daily practice, whether it's your homework or anything that you write, make sure you form this letter Y properly so that you get this practice. So that's all about today's video. You learned how to write the letter Y. If you want to learn the other alphabets, go back to all the videos and check how to do this. See you then.